Hi, today in front of me Poco M5s and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to additional settings. Now we can see here developer options section. And if you wanna hide the developer options, we should click here only once on the switcher. So now let's go back to additional settings and to the settings, and when we'll go back to additional settings we can see that the developer options section is gone successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.